Hello everyone, this is Sadat. In this Abaqus tutorial, I'm gonna introduce the interface of the Abaqus software. Let's get started. When the Abaqus software opens, you will first see this window. For finite element analysis, you can use this option with standard explicit model. If you want to open any database, you can use this option, open database. And also with this option, you can access tutorials from the Abaqus website. For finite element analysis, I want to click on this option with standard explicit model. This is the main window of the Abaqus software. So let me introduce the components of the main window of the Abaqus software. This is title bar. The title bar displays the current model database name and the version of Abaqus that you are using. A menu bar. This is menu bar. The menu bar shows all the menus, and each menu gives access the product's functions. That the menus change depending on which model you choose. For example, if you choose the load modules, according this change, the menu bar also changes. This is toolbars. The toolbars give quick access to the same items you can find in the menus. But this is model tree. This part is model tree. The model tree shows a visual list of your model and its objects, like parts, materials, steps, loads, and output. The model tree lets you easily switch between models and manage all objects in one place. And also, this is result tree. The result tree shows your output databases and session data like XY plot. If multiple databases are open, you can switch between them. Multiple databases are open, you can switch between them. This is toolbox area. When you open a module, its toolbox shows the tools for the module and gives quick access to functions. Also found in the menu bar. This area is message area. In the message area or message section, Abaqus software prints warnings and status update. And also here we have kernel command line interface. The command line allows you to type Python commands and mathematical expressions using Abaqus. But I'll give more information about this option in the next or coming lectures. This is viewport. This is the main graphical window where Abaqus displays your model and results. If you want to change the color of the viewport, you can do that easily. Let me change the color of the viewport, for example. For this, you can go to View and Graphic Options and Viewport Background. Now we can change the background color of the viewport from here. In Abaqus, module is very important. Let me give a brief information about the components of modules. This is part module. It's used to sketch or import geometry in order to create individual parts. This is a property module. It is used to define materials and sections and also apply them to parts. This is assembly module. This is step model. It is used to configure out requests and analyze the stage. This is interaction module. It defines interaction like contact between model parts. This is load module. It defines load, boundary condition, and fill. This is a mesh module. By mesh module, you can create a finite element analysis element mesh. And this is optimization module. By this option, you can step and define an optimization task. And this is job model. By this module, we can submit a job for analysis and monitor its progresses. And also, this is visualization module. By this module, you can display your findings or show your results. Finally, this is sketch models. By using this module, you can create 2D sketch. I think it's enough for this lecture. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to channel. Take care.